the next model is actually how water mills, hydro turbines, hydroelectric power plants, tidal barrages work. And basically, you need this list of materials, or you can actually take out one of the corks, which I did for my model. You don't need this other cork on the end if you don't want it. And that's what it looks like there. So I'm going to put on that video now, and you can see how that one works. Okay, so there is one other way of making energy from water, which is using hydroelectricity or tidal basin barrages. Tidal basins or barrages use this. Pump storage use this to make their energy. And basically what they do is they create a height difference in water. So they have their like original source, which is like low down at one end, or say for tidal, low tide, on the outside of the barrage, and then on the inside they create like a height difference. So they block off some of the water to make it go up higher, so it won't come out as fast and stuff, and they can regulate it and things. And then they just put this turbine in between, and when the water from the high part is trying to get down to the low part to equalize or to just keep moving, it falls over the turbine and it spins it around. Okay. This device here is actually just made with a funnel of any kind, some paper clips here glued to the sides. You could just tape them if you want to, and then you need a skewer or a dowel going through the middle of a cork, and then on the outside of the cork there's all these bits of plastic which I just took off a bottle and I kind of curved them a bit, and then I glued them to the cork. Okay, so that's how we made our turbine. But how we're going to make the height difference is we're just going to get some container, like a big cup, like this Pepsi cup here, and we're just going to lift it up over the turbine, and we're just going to drop the water over it, and you should be able to see the turbine start to spin, and if you drop it fast enough it should start to spin really good and stuff. So I'll try it again there, just because I was doing it too slow so you couldn't see. Okay, here we go. You watch it here. You can see it spinning around. Okay, so that's how that one works, and that one is just to show how hydro power plants, water mills, pump storage, and tidal basin barrages work.